Good day. In this video, we are going to discuss integration by substitution using this problem. We have the integral of 2x to the power of 4 all over x to the power of 5 plus 1 dx. We are going to assign which would be the subscript of u. So we are going to let u is equal to x to the power of 5 plus 1, and then we're going to get the derivative of u. We have derivative of u is 5x to the power of 4 dx. So at this point of time, we have here x to the power of 4 and dx, and then we have x to the power of 4 and dx. We can write the original problem by this form, into this form: 2x raised to the power of 5 plus 1 times x to the power of 4 dx. We are going to find the value of x to the power of 4 dx. So we are going to multiply both sides by 1 over 5. So we have 1 over 5 times 5. We have 5 times 1 over 5, x, copy x to the power of 4 dx, and then 1 over 5 times du. So we have 1 over 5 du. So the next thing to do is simply perform the basic algebraic here, and then 5 times 1, that is 5, over 5, that is 1. Again, 5 times 1, that is 5, divide 5, that is 1. So we are not going to write 1 here because it's understood that we have already 1 as our numerical coefficient in this part. So we will just write x to the power of 4 and then dx. Then copy the left part of our equation. We have 1 over 5 du. So I think we are good enough. So let's move forward for the integration. So we have 2 and then x to the power of 5 plus 1. So x to the power of 5 plus 1, that is equal to u. So we have u, and then x to the power of 4 dx, that is 1 over 5 du. So x to the power of dx, x to the power of 4 dx, that is 1 over 5 du. So we will replace x to the power of 4 dx by 1 over 5 du. So same procedure, we will pull out this one, then place it here and copy. So we have 2 all over u, copy du. Now let's perform the integration. So let's copy 1 over 5, and then I'm so sorry, we will pull out 2 because it's also a constant one. So if we are going to pull out 2 here from the integral, then we will write here 2, and then what we have here in this part is we have 1 over u du. So 2 over 5 integral of 1 over u du. So we have 2 over 5. The integral of 1 over u, we have ln u plus c. You might get asking me about why is it that I am using natural logarithmic number or expression. It's because if you are going to apply the general power formula of integration, the result is undefined. So for us to be able to get a definite answer, we will be using natural logarithmic expression for us to be able to find the final answer. So we have 2 all over 5, copy, and then we have ln, what is the value of u? U is equal to x to the power of 5 plus 1. So we are going to replace u by x to the power of 5 plus 1 plus c. So we are done with our solution.